Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to gather many spoiled meat in Icarus. So first of all, we'll need to gather some raw meat, which can be gathered by extracting some animals using a knife. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go to the tech tree. And inside of here, once you find the wood composter inside of the tier 2, which is going to be located about 2 or 1/3 the way. Here, go ahead and unlock the composter and place it down, and once you do, go ahead and open it, place your raw meat inside of the inventory of this, and you should get some spoiled meat. As you can see, once it's in my inventory, it is going to take 7 minutes to spoil, but once it's inside of the composter, it is going to take only 20 seconds. Also, you can divide it into two using the shift and dragging the meat using the mouse button, and it is going to make it much faster because you're going to produce twice as many of spoiled meat instead of just one. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.